In this tutorial, we're going to, in effect, go in the reverse direction. We're going to take our POA20 tokens that we have on the Ethereum network, and we're going to convert them over to POA. There's a couple of little gotchas we got to double check. First off, let's open up MetaMask, see what we got. All right, so here we go. Here we've got our MetaMask. Again, we are on the main Ethereum network. We have our token here, POA20, as before. Now, what we have added since the earlier tutorial or video is we've actually added some amount of ETH, about $3 or so. I think I put $5 total in at some point. We've been playing around. We have to have some ETH because we are again on the Ethereum network. So we're not on core, we're on the main Ethereum network, and that's where our POA20, which is an ERC20 token, resides. So let's go back to the bridge.poa.net dApp, and we see that the bridge dApp does in fact see our POA20 tokens. We're going to want to convert these back to POA coins. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in the full amount. Now, before we did not or could not put the full amount in because we had to pay for that transaction. However, we are again on the Ethereum network, so converting these tokens over to these coins on these other networks will be paying the fee using the native coin on this network, which again is Ethereum. So we're going to be paying for ETH. So we're going to hit transfer. Sure, all of that, excellent. Hit continue. MetaMask is creating the transaction. And once again, we are paying for this conversion from ERC20 to POA coins using the native coin of the network that we're currently on, which is Ethereum, which is ETH. And that's why we needed to put a couple dollars worth or a couple ETH in to pay for that. So we're going to hit OK, hit submit. It's now going to wait for the various block confirmations. Alright, so we have now moved all of our POA20 tokens over to POA coins on the POA network. So if we were to open up our wallet here in MetaMask, you should see that, well, looks like we have no POA20 tokens. Well, where did they go? Well, again, we're on the Ethereum network, so let's take a look. And for whatever reason, it seems like a hiccup for MetaMask. We might have to, let's go to the core network. All right, so let's open up our, oops. Let's open this up, it's still thinking. So again, we are now on core POA.network, take a quick look, and sure enough, here we have our 1008 POA. Again, this is not ETH, it's POA. So we've now just moved it back. So in the next tutorial, I thought what we could do is do some playing around with regard to moving between different wallets, particularly Trust Ethereum wallet.